How's it going, everybody? This is the IJK optics instructional video on how to lock, unlock, and reset to zero the windage and elevation turrets on our 5th generation optics. Here before me I have the 4x16x50 ESF, and this one comes with our new turret design on it. Now how these work is they lock in place and can be reset to zero without any tools at all. So when the turret is all the way down against the scope body, it's locked in place. You're not going to be able to move it left and right. It's all locked down. Pull it up a little bit, and you'll see it comes off the scope body right like that, about 1/4 of an inch. And now when we turn it, we can make our adjustments, not a problem at all. Push it back down, that relocks it in place. Now to reset it to zero, you're going to use your little mark right here. That's where you're going to be looking. And undo the top here. Doesn't take any tools at all. Put that over here for now. And then just pull the turret off gently. There we go. So there's your brass turret housing on these guys. And you're going to want to try to find zero here. There it is right there. There's our zero. So now we want to line that up with the dot and put it right back into place. There we go. That didn't adjust the scope at all. It just reset the turret to zero and then put the cap back on. And you're done. You can also do that to your windage turret once you're sighted in, and then that would reset them both back to zero. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day.